discuss is what is deductible, what can you deduct on top of the miles and things like that, or what is available to you. Hey everyone, this is Gil Vergara back again with another video. Welcome to Do My Life. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing and liking the channel. We talk about business, health and wealth, and occasionally I do reviews and things about automotive life or automotive vlogs and things like that. But today, I would like to talk about the independent courier journey. It is February and I have recently done my taxes. So I promised this video to everyone to just, share my experience with the taxes and things like that. If you are in the Virginia area, let me give a shout out to my accountant, Gary Peacher. I'm going to put a link here somewhere, his address. If you, I recommend him a lot. Just tell him Gil sent you with the YouTube guy. That's what we were discussing. I just want to talk about taxes and what I learned from the interaction because, as you know, many of you know, or if you guys don't know, it is my first year being an independent courier, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't pay no taxes or pay the least amount of taxes. What I want to discuss is what is deductible, what can you deduct on top of the miles and things like that, or what is available to you. And the route that I took to deal with my taxes as an independent courier. Many of you out there, independent couriers are not 1099 workers, not W-2. So from your contracts, you will be getting a 1099 form. So I received two 1099 forms from the two contracts I have. I just have one now. From what the accountant explained to me, what you can deduct. If you go to standard mile, and I suggest you do because it's going to be very beneficial for you. Check out my video on Miles IQ for that, so you can download that app and track your miles automatically. I pretty much came in at about $18,000 equivalent to tax credit because of the miles. So we can use that. You can use the mileage. You can track your mileage, and I think it's about 56 or 58 cents to the mile at the moment right now. You can double check that. There's certain sites for like the IRS and things like that. I use that against my earnings. Anything I use for business, pretty much I use my cell phone, my tolls. I claim the interest on my vehicle. I claim my internet use because I do use the internet for printing things out from and emails and things like that. I use the printer, the paper I use for here because it's a little small little office. Now you're not gonna get 100% on all these little items. You're gonna get percentages off of them, right? Small percent. I don't know what the percentages are. I guess it varies from state to state, but there is a good degree of that you can take and, use as a, tax write-off for this particular business. My thoughts were that the standard mile deduction is what I was only going to get. But then Mr. Peacher, the accountant, was telling me, no, you can do anything that you use for the business. The tools, like the push cart, the hand truck. Here's a video on the top 5 essential tools that I use for this business. So all the actual physical tools, right? The bags, the coolers, or this or that, you can deduct that. I also asked some questions about forming an LLC. What is his advisement or, advice as to when to form it, how to form it, and things like that, because he can do it for me as well. Most importantly from him, I learned that at what level do you really need to form an LLC so it'll save you money? Because at the end of the day, that's all I'm really looking for, to save money. And, but it turned out pretty good on my end on my taxable income because of those deductions that I had. This could have never been done without any type of organization. And I suggest you guys get very organized because my accountant asking me so many questions about, details and things like that. And you got to know your numbers. Like I've been telling everyone, you have to know your numbers. You have to know your business, the ins and outs of your business. He was very surprised that I have Expensify. This is the video again. I'm going to be plugging a lot of videos in here. How to do your, expense reports for gas, for this, for that, just in case you go the other route and you know your business. So my takeaway from this year's tax, filing and things like that was be very organized, because being that you're on the road all the time, things can go by the wayside very quickly. You can forget so many things because you're hustling, you're grinding, you're trying to make it happen for yourself, it can be very easy to have things fall apart. So building a strong foundation for your business is essential for you just to keep your sanity. Honestly, just keep your sanity, because there's a lot of things, there's a lot of working cogs to this wheel, and you are behind the wheel literally, and you got to make sure everything happens. Everything's on you, or unless you have a business and you have drivers and things like that. But in this sense, I'm just talking about me, sole proprietor, running a business, being a independent courier contractor, and this is my experience doing taxes as of this year. Other than that, it was a pretty smooth transaction with the accountant. Hit him up, tell him that Gil sent you, the YouTube guy, and then if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to email me. My link is down below, the email. You can hit me up at realdumalife@gmail.com if you have any questions. And I want to give a shout out. Check out Vergara Bull's kennel if you guys are into American Bulldogs, from my very long lost relative right up here. Check his channel out if you are into American Bulldogs, French Bulldogs. I think Dennis is breeding French Bulldogs right now. Solid guy, really good lines, amazing dogs, amazing. And I want to shout out QFR Logistics out of Georgia. This company right here. I'll put the link down below with their website. If you guys are looking for work, maybe he has some work for you down in that Georgia area. If you are a business who wants to get shout out on this channel, please feel free, hit me up, email me personally or whatever, or either you can hit me up on Instagram so I can help promote your business. And I'm just here to help everybody and things like that. And if you guys are looking for some real estate in the Hampton Roads area, Virginia area, please do not hesitate to call this number. That's my wife. She's a realtor here in Virginia. Let me know. We'll try our best to help you out with that one. And finally, because I am an operations manager at the current courier contract that I had, they recruited me to become an operations manager there. I am looking for some one or two solid people to work the 3 to 11 shift. Please feel free to call me. Here is my number, my 757 number. Please call me or message me and I'll hit you back if you are interested in potentially working in the Hampton Roads area. From 3 to 11. I need one or two solid guys. I'm talking about guys or girls who are hustlers and grinders. Just whatever work comes to you, just get to it and get as much as you can done within that time frame. I don't want to waste your time, and definitely don't want to waste my time. So here's my personal number once again. You can call me. We can talk if you're in the Hampton Roads area, and potentially for you to become an IC, independent courier, within this area, right? And so that's pretty much it. I did all my promos and everything. And once again, do not hesitate to hit me up if you want me to promote your business and within the area to help your business get some traction. And take care, and God bless, and see you soon. Bye.